So now in this video we are going to see how to change the directory. Currently I am working on home directory. Now I just want to change home directory to desktop. How I can change this directory using the terminal window? So for that I'm going to use a command named as cd, which is also called as change directory command. Okay, so cd command will change the directory where you want to change it. Okay, now cd, I just want to change directory to desktop, so I will type desktop and / and press enter. So as you can see here, the current working directory of mine is desktop. So now let's see it is correct or not. So currently I am on desktop. Okay, so let's see how many things are there in desktop. So there is nothing. I don't have anything in the desktop. Okay, so this is how we can use cd command. So now if you want to get back into the previous directory, so for that you just need to type cd hyphen press enter. So now as you can see here, you are currently in home Kali directory, and this is how it works. So for that I just want to see how many. Okay, I just want to get to this directory which is called as downloads. So copy selection and change cd, and I will just paste and / press enter. So currently I am in downloads. Let's see folders inside download. So I don't have anything inside download, so it is showing me nothing. So let's see, is it true or not? So yes, I don't have anything, that's why it is showing empty. Okay, so this is how you can use cd to get into any directory you want. So this is very important command. This command will be very handy for you. And this is all for this video. In the upcoming videos we are going to learn how to use a command to make the folder without using the graphical user interface.